Laravel's popularity in e-commerce is rising, with over 720,000 websites globally leveraging its framework for secure, scalable solutions. Its built-in tools reduce development time by 30%, making it a top choice for rapid, customized e-commerce. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you a demo of a liquor store, Liquor A Drive, a powerful e-commerce platform built on Laravel. We'll walk you through both the front end, which is what your customers will see, and the back end, where you'll manage your entire store. So, let's dive into it. First, let's understand e-commerce Laravel and how it works. Laravel is a popular PHP program for building robust and scalable e-commerce platforms. It offers built-in tools for user authentication, product management, shopping carts, and secure payment processing. Users can browse products, add items to their cart, and complete purchases while the system manages inventory and generates invoices. For administrators, Laravel provides an intuitive backend for managing products, orders, and customers. Its flexibility allows for custom features, integration of third-party APIs, and SEO optimization. Laravel ensures scalability, allowing the platform to grow alongside with e-commerce business seamlessly. Let's take a look at the front end of the liquor store platform built in Laravel framework. Let's take a look at the front end of the liquor store, Liquor A Drive, platform built in Laravel framework. This is the customer-facing side of the website where users can browse products, search for specific items, and make purchases seamlessly. Homepage introduction. Here on the homepage, we have a clean and intuitive design with the featured products displayed right at the top. The navigation menu allows customers to easily explore different categories from wines to spirits. Product search functionality. The search bar is front and center, allowing customers to quickly find what they are looking for. Simply type in a product name or keyword and relevant results will appear instantly. Product listings and filters. Let's check out one of the categories. Here, customers can filter products by price, type, and brand. Each product has a clear image, price, and an option to view more details. Product page overview. On the product page, customers can see a detailed description, pricing, and reviews from other buyers. They can choose their quantity and add the product to their cart with just a click. Checkout process. Once a customer has added products to their cart, they can proceed to the checkout. Here, they'll input their shipping details, choose payment methods, and confirm their order. The entire process is smooth, ensuring a seamless customer experience. But the login is required for the checkout process. Next, we'll explore the user account features. Customers can create an account to save their details for faster future purchases, track their orders, and manage their saved payment methods. User dashboard. The user dashboard offers a simple layout where customers can view their past orders, manage shipping addresses, and even update their personal information. Now, let's move on to the back-end dashboard, where you as the store owner or admin will manage your entire e-commerce platform. This dashboard is your control center for products, orders, customers, and more. Dashboard Overview. Once logged in, you'll see a clear overview of your store's performance. This includes recent orders, total sales, and customer activity. The dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of how your store is performing. Product management. One of the most crucial features in the admin panel is product management. Here, you can add new products, edit existing ones, and also manage stock levels. Order management. Next, under the orders section, you can manage all customer orders. This includes viewing order details, updating order statuses, and handling shipping. Customer management. In the customers section, you have access to all registered customer details. You can view their order history, contact them, and manage customer accounts. Reporting and analytics. The Laravel Liquor Store provides built-in reporting tools, allowing you to track your sales performance, best-selling products, and overall revenue over a given time frame. Now, let's explore some additional features in the backend. Here's where you can manage payment integrations, shipping methods, and even set up marketing campaigns. Payment gateway integration. The Laravel Liquor Store allows you to integrate multiple payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, and credit card processors, ensuring your customers have a smooth payment experience. Shipping settings. Under shipping settings, you can define different shipping zones, delivery rates, and enable real-time shipping rate calculations. Marketing tools. Lastly, the Laravel Liquor Store also offers marketing tools such as discount codes and email marketing integrations, allowing you to run promotions and keep your customers engaged. So, if you're looking for a Laravel website development company, why should you choose Softtrix? Let's explain. Softtrix has been in the business of delivering high-quality websites for years, and here's why they stand out. Experience. With years of experience and a solid portfolio, Softtrix has worked with clients across various industries, building websites that truly reflect the customer's brand. Affordable pricing. We offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Whether you are a startup or an established business, we have packages that fits your budget. Dedicated support. Our dedicated support team is always ready to help, ensuring your website is up to date and functioning smoothly. When you work with Softtrix, a professional website development company in Mohali, here's how the process typically works. Initial consultation. We start by understanding your business needs and goals. Planning. Next, we create a sitemap and wireframes to map out your website structure. Design and development. Our team of designers and developers work together to bring your vision to life. Then comes testing. Before the website goes live, we run extensive tests to ensure everything functions perfectly. Then launch and support. Finally, we launch your website and offer ongoing support to keep it updated and secure. Your website is more than just a digital space. It's your brand's first impression, so make it count with us. If you have any questions or want to learn more about website development, please do visit our website or use the WhatsApp number given on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on digital marketing as well as web design and development. Thank you.